This
Thanks for
conference will
updating.
now be recorded.
Thanks for knowing me. Okay, so let me consider I have the two tasks are there, task 1 and task 2, right? So this task 1 and task 2 both are depending on the same condition, but this condition, based upon the condition can be true, condition can be false, right? If the condition is true, so one task can be executed. For example, condition is false, then another task can be executed. So here, even if we have the two tasks, both the tasks are depending on the same condition. Based upon the condition result, either task 1 can be executed, either task 2 can be executed, not both. I hope you clear my point. Can you
Yes.
confirm me? Did you got
Yeah.
my point?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yep. So when we have this kind of situation, when you're getting this kind of situation, so we have a beautiful concept which is the if and else. So if and else is followed by the if block. If block we have it, as well as else block we have it. So else we don't require the condition, this else which is depending on the condition after the if. Okay, so if this particular condition is true, if this particular condition is true, the task what we are defining, inside of the if, that it can be executed. So if the condition is true, task 1 can be executed. If the condition is false, task 2, what you defining inside of the else, it can be executed. I hope you clear. So here we have a two condition, here we have a two tasks. So one task we should define inside of the if, one task you should define inside of the else block. But if and else both are having the same condition, the condition we should write after the if. So after the if, whatever the condition we have it, if that one is true, then what statements we have inside of the if, it can be executed. If in case the condition is false, then else can be executed. So this is simply the syntax of the if and else. For example, the program, it can be starts with a statement by statement. By the time of execution of each and every statement, we have a condition. This is the condition. If it is checking with if keyword, if this particular condition is true, then whatever the task you should defining inside of the if block, that it can be executed. After that one, it was simply stops your program. For example, if my condition is false, if and only if my condition is false, then you can defining some kind of statements in another block. The name of the block is else block. The else block can be executed if and only if my condition is false. Clear? So this is the simply flowchart of the if and else. This could be the syntax of the if and else. Can you please note these two things, flowchart and syntax?
Done.
Okay, let's write a small program for understanding the if and else. Write a program, find the given number is even number or not. Okay, So if it is the even number, you can print the even number. If it is the odd number, you can print the odd number, right? So that number you can consider from the user with the help of the input function. So whatever the number you enter, that it was converting into the integer and which is holding into the num variable. So now you can check with if this is the number, if it is divisible with the 2, then it's an even number, right? If it is an even number, you can print the it's even. So you can print the number and you can say it's, you can print the number after that one, it's even number. Okay. For example, the condition was fail. That means the number is not divisible with the 2, which means it's a false, right? So if it is a false, then you can print the number, but you can print as the it's odd number. Okay, so here we have a, so we are going to be checking a number. Either it can be the even, either it can be the odd. So we have only one option from the two options. So either it can be odd or either it can be even, right? So I can have a condition, the condition is true, then else block can be executed. The condition is false, then else, sorry, condition is true, if block can be executed. If the condition is false, else block can be executed. Clear? So if it is a 13, then else is executed because of remainder is 1. Remainder is 1, so the condition 1 equal to 0, condition is fail. If the condition is fail, else is executed. Now if you are executing with some even number, then remainder is 0, 0 equal to 0. When you are division with 2, the remainder is 0, 0 equal to 0, condition is true. If the condition is true, it's a printing even number. Okay, so note this example.
Done.
Good. So next one is, so we've seen some examples of previous program itself. Okay, write a program, find the area of a circle when when diameter is more than 15. Okay, find the area of the circle when the diameter is more than 15. Otherwise, find the perimeter. So here either you can able to go for find the perimeter, either you can able to consider the okay area. So but this finding the area and perimeter both are depending on the diameter length only. Okay, if the diameter length is more than the 15, then we are finding the area. That means the condition is true. If the if the diameter is more than the 15, you should find the area. Otherwise you should go for find the perimeter actually. Clear? So can you do this particular program? I can give you some sort of time. The formula for the circle area of the circle is, it's a pi r square. Pi r square. Okay, so this is the formula for the area, and 2 pi r is the formula for perimeter. Okay, these are the formulas. You don't worry about formulas here. So here the pi value, it's a constant. So you can consider it as the 22 by 3. 22 by 7 or 3? 22 by 7, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
3.14, simple.
So do this example. So area and perimeter formula, you already know that. Pi value, you already know that. Here I given a, here r is the radius and you should enter the diameter. So radius is the diameter by 2. So the input is the diameter. Input is the diameter. Okay. And you should take the input from the user, and the radius is, it's a diameter by 2. You already know that r and pi, but r is depending on the diameter will be given by the user. Done.
No, not yet.
Hello. Done this particular program. Rajesh and Akhilesh.
Yeah, done.
Okay, so Pavani also done. Srilekha.
Yeah, almost done. Just a 2 minutes. Two
Okay.
seconds.
So you can try this particular program. Write a program. Print the big number from the two numbers. Print the big numbers, big number from two numbers. You have two numbers. From the two numbers, you have to find the biggest number. Okay, that number you can print it. It's a very simple thing, but you can try it. Next one is write a program. Display whether he is eligible for the loan or not. Write a program to print. Write a program to find the user eligible for loan or not. So some person he was applying the loan, whether he can get the loan or not, that you can easily you have to print it actually. Okay. See, see the first criteria is once the user is trying to applying the loan, first thing is that CIBIL score, right? So for the here the input is the CIBIL score. CIBIL. Yeah, okay. Okay. CIBIL score. Okay. So the CIBIL score you should enter from the user. If the CIBIL score is more than the if the CIBIL score is good, then he is eligible for the loan, right? If the CIBIL score is not good, then he is not. If the CIBIL score is not good, then he is not eligible for the loan, right? So here the CIBIL score is your input from the user. If the CIBIL score is the more than the 750, then he is eligible for the loan. Otherwise, you have to say that this guy is not eligible for the loan. That kind of program you can write your own way. Yeah, the CIBIL score is your input. So based upon that CIBIL score only, you're going to be predicting or you're going to be giving the result first. So this guy is not eligible, this guy is eligible. Okay. If the CIBIL is more than the 750, then it's good. So if it is a good, then you can say that that guy is eligible for the loan. Otherwise, you can say this guy is not eligible for the loan.
Can you explain the third question again?
So you should enter the CIBIL score of the user as an input, like how you're giving the diameter. In the
Uh-huh.
same way, you can take the CIBIL score from the user. Okay.
Okay.
If CIBIL score is more than the 750, then
Oh,
you can print the he is eligible for the loan. If the CIBIL score is not more than the 750, then you can say your CIBIL score is low, so try to improve your CIBIL score. Then you will eligible for the loan. That kind of message you can display it. Okay.
thank you.
If it is done, please let me know.
I'm done.
Okay. So this is for today's class, guys. Tomorrow we'll catch up to finish the elif ladder and nested if concepts. Okay. See you.
Okay.
Take care. Bye.